How to use tanning bed at Planet Fitness. So to be able to use a tanning bed on Planet Fitness, first go ahead and remove your clothing. You'll need to undress completely for an even tan. You can wear a bathing suit or underwear if you prefer, but this will result in tan lines. Now, protect sensitive areas. Use the provided eye protection if you don't have them as a staff member. It's also a good idea to protect any new tattoos or sensitive skin with a barrier cream by covering them. Second is to enter the bed. Carefully step into the tanning bed. There is usually a handle or handholds to help you get in and out. Position yourself, lie down or stand up depending on the type of bed. Ensure you are comfortable and positioned correctly for optimal UV exposure. Close the lid or door. Securely close the lid of the tanning bed. Most beds have a button or latch to do this. Now, during the session, the bed will automatically start its timer. Sessions are typically short, especially for beginners, ranging from 5 to 20 minutes. Try to relax during your session. Avoid moving around excessively, as this can lead to uneven tanning. After the session, wait for the fan. Most beds have a fan that will blow air to cool you down. Wait until the fan stops before opening the lid. Now carefully exit the tanning bed. Wipe down any surfaces you touch with the provided sanitizing wipes. And that is how to use tanning bed at Planet Fitness.